Hello everyone. The next question we are going to take is this question 56, merge intervals. Okay, so by the name it looks like there will be intervals given. We have to merge it and return the new interval. Such that like this we will after merging them we will get this interval. Okay, but before that let's try to read the question and understand what it is saying. Given an array of intervals where intervals of I, okay, there are multiple intervals, and each element will contain its initial index and final index. Okay, merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of non-overlapping intervals. Okay, so let's check one of the, okay, 1 4 is there, 4 5 is there, then return 1 5. Okay, and if 1 3 is there, so we have 1 and 3, we have 2 and 6, then 8 and, okay, 2 and 6. Okay, let's write it like this. 1, no, the previously it was better. 1 and 3, 2 and 6, 8 and 10, and 15 and 18. So this will be okay. Then we have to merge them and this will be individual. So there are total 3 intervals. Yeah, 1 6, 8 10 and 15 18. How to solve it? Okay, to solve it, what we can do, we'll take 1 this to this side. Okay, 1 is there, 2 is there. We can sort it by the starting index or by ending index, whatever. Let's try to sort it by starting index, then by ending index. So it's like 1, okay, 2 is there, then 8 is there, then 15 is there. With 1, 3 will come first. What if 3 is not here, 3 is not here, or 3 is initially here? Okay, so we can compare this 2 and 3. We will be able to compare them. Then the next is 8. We can compare these both of them, and we will increase this 6. We will increase this 6. If suppose this was 10, so we can increase our 6 to 10. Then we'll compare 8 with previous one. Yeah, it will work. It should work. Okay, what if there are multiple 1? So we are going to take maximum of this one and previous one. Okay, and we'll keep going on. Yeah, just sorting by the first index will do the work. Okay, let's try to write the code and check if our logic is correct. But one more thing what I can say is after sorting by index, okay, so we can use merge sort to do this sorting, or else we can also use lambda expression to sort it. So I'm gonna go with lambda expression. If we would be able to submit it, we are gonna do it with merge sort also. Okay, but it will be simple, same as in merge sort. When you are comparing with comparing any two element, compare the first index, because we are sorting it by the first index. Okay, and we will, okay, let's sort it in, okay, in intervals dot sort tech key is equal to lambda given x is x0, so by sort by first index. Okay, now initially left and right is okay, so we have to return it also now. What if, yeah, it will work. So left and right will be intervals of 0 comma intervals of, okay, intervals of 0 the first index, then the, okay, then the next index. Yeah, we start from this. Now what we will do, we will traverse the whole interval for I in range length of intervals. Okay, insert rest again. Yeah, this will work. We will kind of start from 1 directly. Now, yeah, so if, okay, so for each one we will have a beginning and the end. So it will be intervals, oh yeah, intervals of I of 0 again. Control C, Control Z, Control C, Control V, I of 1. So if begin is equal to left, okay, let's suppose if begin is greater than right, okay, if this happens anytime, because we have already sorted it with first index, then we already got our first interval as a result. So let's suppose result is equal to this one. If this ever happens, append result dot append left, okay, left is already there, and right, and make our left and right equals begin comma, okay, if begin is greater than right, yeah, so make our left and right as begin, left is equal to begin, okay, and our right will become, yeah, right will become max of end comma right. Begin is greater than right, so it will become end now. Yeah, why to bother? Okay, so at the next we are gonna make it. I guess I've already told you what I'm going to do. I will start from this one in a sorted order. I will check whether here 1 3 2 6, if 2 is greater than 3, if 2 this 2 is greater than the right we reached, okay, 2 is greater than 3, then we are going to append it inside our answer, or else we will go further. So the first thing we are going to do is, here we are writing if the begin is greater than right, we got one of our answer, make our left and right equals begin and end and continue. Else if it is not happening, begin is not greater than right means begin is less than or equal to right. So after that our left will remain same, but our right will get updated. So our right will become max of, okay, left is same, right will become max of right or max of end. Yeah, yeah, this will work. And in the end, so when we will end it, okay, so if this I is equal to length of intervals minus 1, and if it is ending at here, so we have to append res dot append right comma, not right comma, left comma right, okay, and then return res. This should work. Let's see. Okay, it is a medium question. Okay, so intervals, sorry, we have to use intervals. Okay, intervals, um again we used intervals, intervals, yeah, okay, like 8 minutes 59. Okay, so we have 1 6, we have 8 10, but we don't have 15 18. We appended, okay, if I is equal to length of intervals minus 1, then append left and right. Okay, instead of appending left and right, what we have to append end and left. Or 1 second, if this is continuing, that means begin is less than right, so we have to append begin and, sorry, we have to append begin and end. Yeah, but do we need to append begin and end? Okay, if begin is greater than right, so this 15 and 18 should be appended here. I don't know why it isn't. Okay, No, we have appended the current one bit, but we haven't appended the, yeah, that's the problem. So let's go back. Here we can append our left and right, okay? But what if left and right? No, no, no. We can do this after after everything. Yeah, begin this. Instead of trying to do this here, we can do this at the end after for loop. Okay, just append left and right. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, I have to make it an array. Oh man, why work this time? Okay, yeah. Let's submit it directly and see what's the error. Oh, it got submitted with 97%. So okay, it worked. Okay, thank you guys. I guess you have understood the approach. Let's revise it again. What we did. We know that the first interval is left and right initially. Okay, and we have also sorted everything by start time. The next time we will find any beginning such that, let's see on the board. Next time, whenever you found like currently we have this as our left, this as our right. So if we found the next interval, if begin is greater than right, okay, begin is greater than right. See here, if begin is greater than right, we know that this is already less than this, and this is our potential answer. So we will input it inside res. Else, what we will do, we will make our right as maximum of r or end, and then we will traverse. That's the simple approach of it. Try this question. Okay, thank you guys. We will meet you soon with the next question. I mean, I will meet you soon. Okay, bye.